Happy 2023. PlayStation VR 2 takes users into a new era of virtual gameplay that is highly interactive and immersive.
Next month, PlayStation VR 2 launches a new generation of virtual reality experiences that enable players to feel a greater sense of presence and escape into worlds like never before. More than 30 games are currently on track for the launch window, including much-loved franchises with Horizon Call of the Mountain, No Man's Sky, and Resident Evil Village. Today, I'm excited to announce that one of our most storied franchises will be coming to PSVR 2 at launch. Gran Turismo, a game which has sold more copies across the series than any other title developed by PlayStation Studios. PSVR 2 launches globally on February 22nd, and you can pre-order now on PlayStation.com. I'm happy to announce that one of the VR games that defines the medium is in development for PSVR 2, Beat Saber. The award-winning and best-selling VR rhythm game is coming to PlayStation VR 2. Today, I'm thrilled to announce our next step in the journey to make gaming more accessible, Project Leonardo, our codename for a new PS5 accessibility controller kit that will allow players with disabilities to play more easily, more comfortably, and for longer periods. Project Leonardo is highly customizable, thank you, and works out of the box, providing a robust kit of swappable components and a suite of software options on PS5. It's a true canvas that enables many gamers with disabilities to craft their own play experience. PS5 supply improved towards the end of last year, and I'm happy to share that December was the biggest month ever for PS5 console sales, and that we've now sold more than 30 million units through to consumers worldwide.
Today, I'd like to share with you our vision, together with some exciting updates. Allow me to present you our new brand, Afeela. This is a prototype under our new brand, Afeela. Following this prototype, we will further proceed with the development towards mass production, anticipating to start taking pre-orders in the first half of 2025 and start sales within the same year. The first shipment will be delivered to customers in North America in spring 2026. On the exterior, Media Bar allows the vehicle to interact with the people, expressing itself by sharing various types of information to people around it. Together with our partners and creative communities, we plan on exploring the possibility of how MediaVer can create a fun and exciting mobility interaction. As safety and security are essential to mobility, we will integrate Sony's sensors and Honda's safety along with other intelligent technologies. This prototype is equipped with a total of 45 cameras and sensors inside and outside the vehicle. In-car cameras and time-of-flight sensors detect the driver's status, along with the vehicle condition, to prevent accidents. Combining these sensing technologies with maximum 800 TOPS high-performance SoCs, we aim to achieve industry-leading automated drive, and advanced driver assistance systems. And of course, we also intend to provide best-in-class entertainment for our customers. In addition to movies, games, and music, we envision a new in-cabin experience using our expertise of UX and UI technologies. In order to realize intelligent mobility, continuous software update and high-performance computing is required for AD, ADAS, HMI, IVI, and telematics. To that end, we will work closely with Qualcomm Technologies. We will utilize their latest SoCs from Snapdragon Digital Chassis to realize next-generation mobility experience.
Hello, everybody. It's great to be here with you all. At Epic, we make games like Fortnite, and at the heart of that is the Unreal Engine. We're working closely with them to help deliver connected automotive experiences that lead the way not only in visual communications and safety, but also in entertainment. In the future, the automobile will become a next-generation destination for social connectivity, not only for the occupants, but also their network of friends and colleagues. Together with Sony and Sony and Honda Mobility, we will look forward to bringing forward new exciting updates on this revolutionary new space.
What we have shared today is just the beginning.
Been looking at the mountains higher.